Shame and disgrace in Calabar. If you're going to call KC a Batman school, then Calabar indeed is also a Batman school, because all boys attend Kingston College and all boys attend Calabar High School. Calabar High School owes Kingston College a public apology. Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, I ask that you give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. So today I'm going to be talking about Calabar. Normally when it comes to talking about Calabar, I'm usually all smiles, because I normally carry great pride for C-Bar. For most of you who do not know, I am a Calabar old boy. I attended Calabar High School in the 80s, and I've always carried that green and black pride from 61 Red Hills Road. I carry a strong pride for the school, and I carry a very strong pride for what the school represents and the school's motto, which is the utmost for the highest. The school motto, the utmost for the highest, means a whole lot to me, as I am sure it means a whole lot to current Calabar students, past Calabar students, and people who are looking forward to attending that school. However, from what's been going on in Calabar for the last couple months, I don't think that people who were previously looking forward to that school are still doing so. My guess would be that a high percentage of those people that were previously desirous to attend in Calabar has now declined. Calabar, Calabar, Calabar. Shame and disgrace. If there's ever a time that I feel ashamed of having any association with that school, that time is now. Calabar has gone to the dogs. It's as if the recent ugly allegation about Calabar's track stars assaulting a teacher was not enough. Now Calabar is again in the media with another negative review. Calabar students were seen on a video which is circulating in social media as they make a derogatory chant towards Kingston College. But as insulting as the chant was towards Kingston College, it was insulting to Calabar itself. So the chant pretty much says, KC a Batman school. For Jamaican people, that is a clear message as to what Calabar is indicating towards Kingston College. To the rest of the world, you guys might be confused, as in, what is a Batman and so on and so forth. Because only in Jamaica or the Caribbean that the term Batman really has a definition. It could exist today on the internet in some urban dictionary, but in reality, it's a slang. It's a term that is used by Jamaicans and some other Caribbean country to say gay or homosexual or sissy. Bottom line, the term Batman school actually came from ignorance. Because when I used to attend Calabar school, I've heard the term before. I've heard Calabar being accused of being a Batman school, and this came from ignorance. It doesn't necessarily mean that Calabar students were all homosexuals. What it meant is it came from people who did not truly understand the logics of an old boys school. Jamaica were previously used to co-ed school, boys and girls attending the same school. And when all boys attended one school, ignorant Jamaicans from before our time saw it as, that school is just for, it must be promoting homosexual because they're all boys. But let me just briefly get into that. The logics in having an all-boys school is to get the best ability out of a male student. Very same for an all-girls school. As you're growing up and you hit your early teens, one of the greatest distraction one could have is the opposite sex. So I did see the logics, and I still see the logics of an all-boys school and an all-girls school having an advantage over co-ed learning, because the behaviors of children when they are in a co-ed school versus the behavior of children when they're in a same-sex school is totally different, and it has been proven that they learn better. So that's that where that is concerned. So shame and disgrace in Calabar. If you're gonna call KC a Batman school, then Calabar indeed is also a Batman school, because all boys attend Kingston College and all boys attend Calabar High School. Calabar High School owes Kingston College a public apology. Not just a letter that is sent privately to the school and where the school's principal read it out in the auditorium, and then Kingston College should feel whole again. I'm a Calabar old boy. I support my school in most things. I mean, of all the time of Calabar existence and my existence, this year was the first year that I could have cared less if Calabar triumphed at the boys champs or not. But I was not interested in champs this year because of what allegations was going around regarding the physics teacher at Calabar School and the way Calabar acting principal or the administration board reacted to that situation. I did not care. Calabar did not get my support this year. So because I didn't have anyone else to support, I just did not watch champs, period. I didn't care who was winning. I didn't care who lost or whatever. I didn't want Calabar to win. I didn't think they should win because of the nasty, ugly allegation that was surrounding the school at the beginning. So while I'm on that note, congratulations to Kingston College and your win. And I wish you guys nothing but the best in the future. Still saying that I'm not a supporter of Kingston College. I'm an old Calabar boy, and I will always be. I am ashamed that Calabar and the students of Calabar and the administration board of Calabar have stooped this low for making such derogatory statements against the school. What's going on at Calabar? Are they overnight got ignorant? Well, why would they even think of a song like that? Why would they even think of a chant like that? How in their brain did they justify calling KC Batman School? How they think that would reflect on them as an all-boys school? Or how did they think it would reflect on them as students from Calabar? This is a clear sight that the students at Calabar today does not know the value, does not know the integrity, does not know the noble standard of Calabar's history. These children that are now attending Calabar are bringing Calabar's reputation to the dogs, and something should be done about this, because for people such as myself and other successors that have graduated from Calabar and take such pride, it is a flag that we would like to continually fly. And it seems like it's going in a direction today where people such as myself will eventually be ashamed to claim that I attended Calabar. And I would not like it to come down to this. So Calabar High School, I'm speaking to you directly, the current students and the administrative board of Calabar High School principal or acting principal. Do the right thing. Make a public apology to Kingston College. Shame on you guys. This is all I have to say at the moment regarding this matter. I look forward to hearing what you guys have to say. Don't be shy. Leave a comment. On this channel, I welcome thumbs up, thumbs down, agreement, disagreement. Because more than anything, that my channel is about, is that each one teach one. Until next time, peace.